The Taraba State Governorship Petition Tribunal sitting in Jalingo, that's Taraba State's capital, has affirmed the election of Governor Kefas as valid elected. The three-man panel of judges of the tribunal says the petition of the Nnpp and its candidate Professor Yahaya Sani lacks merit and is hereby dismissed. Here's the report.
The judgment day for the Taraba State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal witnessed high security presence as all roads leading in and out of the court premises were barricaded. At the courtroom, lawyers, party faithfuls, the State Deputy Governor Aminu Alkali, Secretary to the State Government Gibbon Timothy, and other political associates, including the Deputy Governorship candidate of the Nnpp, were present to listen to the ruling of the tribunal. In the proceedings judgment, the trial court in its verdict read by a three-man panel of judges dismissed the petition of the Nnpp and its candidate Professor Yahaya Sani for lacking merit. Recall that the Nnpp and the candidate had instituted a case against the three of PDP and its candidate Governor Kefas in the March 18 governorship election on the grounds of corrupt practices, non-compliance to the Electoral Act of 2022, overvoting, mutilation of results sheets, and alleged violence and in polling units. The court ruled that the petitioner, who claimed to have scored the majority of lawful votes cast, is inconsistent, as he is also requesting that the same election be declared invalid yet valid to declare him winner. According to the judges, one cannot place something on nothing and expect it to stand. Counsels to the state governor and the INEC say the judgment is a welcome development and see no reason why appeal will be a way out.
The petition was anchored on 2 grounds. First ground is that the election was invalid by reason of non-compliance. And that the second ground was that the governor did not win the election by majority of lawful votes. All the 128 witnesses they have brought did not prove any of the allegations against the return of the governor. And so it is, we are happy that the allegations were not proved.
The documents relied upon by the petitioner is what is known in law as documentary hearsay. And that was exactly what the tribunal held. Documents were tendered without the makers of the documents being called as witnesses. The law does not permit that because a document cannot speak for itself. So if there is any issue with the document, you call as witnesses those who made the document and people in whose presence the document was made, so that if there are questions concerning maybe figures that you are questioning or circumstances in which the documents were made, inconsistencies and such other things, you ask the people who know actually what happened.
The State Deputy Governor Aminu Alkali in a statement said he is extending his hand of fellowship to the petitioners to bring on board their developmental plans for the state so as to work together towards the progress and development of Tarabans.
I would love to request members of the Nnpp as a party, since we've been together, to all the nooks and crannies of this state to campaign together. So I will invite them to accept the extension of our hand of friendship to them, so that they will give us their blueprint also that they intend to use in developing this state, so that we develop the state together with them.
The PDP and its candidate won 11 local government areas. The Nnpp won 3, while the APC won only 2 local government areas. Linda Guana, VOA TV News, Jalingo.